how to join Excel in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to work in QGIS for attribute analysis, layout manager for label and legend, how to draw label in your map and create a legend of your map. So it is very important if you want to make a map. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel for new video. So let's start. Here is our layout manager and we draw here and we draw here label. So we go to label. Here is add label, left side. We click here and we draw on center, and here is right side label property. If you want to change it, you select it and you write here as per your requirement. We write here my map, and if you want to change font size, you click here font and you select here font size as per your requirement. We write here 100, and if you want to set and middle as per your requirement, center and left or right, so you click here, and after it you see here horizontal. We select here center, and vertical we select here top. And if you want to change font type, so you click here font and we select here as per your requirement font. We select here this one and we adjust as per our requirement and change size. We change size, we write here 80. We adjust as per requirement. And if you want to change color, you select here color as per your choice. We select here red, our color is change. If you want to other modification, you go to next option, type cases. If you want to change uppercase, you select here uppercase. Your title change in uppercase. If you want to change lowercase, you select here lowercase as per your choice. We select here uppercase. And if you want to other changes, you select here draw text, text size. You set here text size and select here point pixel. We select here point. And color, if you want to change color, you see here in background change. We take another color blue. You see here my map, you see here blue line. If you want to other changes, so you go to background change. If you want to change background, you select here background and you select here rectangle, square, ellipse as per your requirement. We select here ellipse and we ellipse color. Here is ellipse, see here. And other changes, you go to shadow. If you want to shadow, you select here shadow, click drop menu, and you select here text level. We select here level and offset as per your requirement. Shadow, we write here 18. You see here shadow change, and if you want to change color, you select here color. Your shadow color is change. Our level is complete. Next, we legend. Here is legend. We go to add legend and we draw legend. We select first corner to last and we draw it. Our legend is here and we adjust it as per requirement. Legend, and we up and down as per your requirement. You adjust it, and if you want to change title, you write here title legend. You write here legend, your title legend. If you want to change alignment, so you select here symbology left, symbology right. Our symbology change and we select symbology left is good. We select left. Our label and legend process successful complete. If you want to export your map, you go to map layout and you go to export as PDF, and we export as per our path. We write here name and save it and save our map export. So we complete successful label and legend and export map. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to insert arrow and change property of arrow, and how to insert scale and change property, and last one is how to lock your legend and map. So it is very important, so listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe. So let's start. Here is our map. So first we insert north arrow. Here is north arrow. We select here north arrow symbol, add north arrow. We click here and we insert north arrow. We click here. Here is north arrow, and if you want to change symbol as per your requirement, you select item property. Here I already selected item property. We select item property and we select here SVG image, and we select here arrow. Here is north arrow, different type of north arrow. We select this one and click here. Here is our arrow. If you want to change other property, you again go to item property. We select it and we go to item property and we select here raster image, and here is our raster north arrow. We select add scale bar. After it we draw as per requirement area. we draw it. Here is our scale, we adjust as per our requirement, we adjust it, we click here, and if you want to change property, you go to item property, we already open it. After it, if you want to change scale unit, you select here unit, here is unit, as per your requirement you select meter, kilometer, feet and yard, we select kilometer, and label unit multiple as per your decide. If you want to increase it, you click here increase, and you see here dividation part, you see here changes in scale. And if you want to change segment, you select here segment 1 2 3, we select here 3, here is segment, you see here in scale our segment is changed. If you want to change frame and background of scale, you select here frame property, and if you want to change color, you select here color, frame color, we select it, and thickness, and if you want to change in unit, you select here unit centimeter, and you see here frame, your scale frame, we adjust it, here is scale frame scale, and you want to change background, click background, and you select here color, we select it green, our background color is changed in scale. We successful completed north arrow and a scale symbol in map. Here is our QGIS, and we already added here shapefile. We check attribute, for attribute check we click here and we go to open attribute, and here is our attribute name id underscore 2, name 2 and type. We see here unique id underscore 2, we check it to Excel for same id, we go to Excel, here is our Excel, and we see here GIS id and id underscore 2 are same, so we join with respect to id underscore 2, id underscore 2 and GIS id. So we close Excel and also close it, and we add Excel file, here is our Excel file, we add it, drag to down, our Excel file is added, we see here attribute, we click here, go to open attribute, here is our GIS id and name underscore 2, we close it and we go to symbology and we double click, symbology means save file, we double click and we go to join. After join, you add new join, you see here downside in add new join plus symbol, we click here, and join layer, you see here join Excel, and join field, you select here join field, we select here GIS id, And target field, we select here our target field is shape file. Unique id field means id underscore 2, we click here. After it, we ok and apply and ok, and we check again. We click here and go to open attribute table, and you see here our excel is join. You see here join data underscore name underscore 2, our excel file join successfully. If you want to remove it, you close it and we click here again, and here is minus symbol means remove selected join. We click here, our join file is removed. Apply and ok. We check again. We click here and go to open attribute table. We check here our join excel removed. So we successful join excel file in QGIS. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. We discuss how to add layout manager, and we prepare a first QGIS map. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end, and like, share, subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We add map. Here is our path, and we add as per drag. We add it. Here is our map. We categorize it. For categorize, we double click map and we go to symbology. Here is symbology, and we select here categorize. After categorize, we select here categorize name. We select here name underscore 2, because our category is available on name 2, and we select here color as per our requirement. We select here color, apply, and we classify. You see in downside we classify, and our classify layer is here, and we apply and ok. Our classify map is here, and we add layout manager. For layout manager, we go to project and we go to layout manager, and we click here create, and we write here my first map, my first map, and ok. Here is our layout manager. We insert a map. For insert map, we go to add map. We click here add map, and we drag corner first to last. Our map is here, and after it, for insert text, we go to add label, and we press here, and here is our property, and we go to item property, and we write here name my first map. After it, we go to downside, and we click here font. Here is font property. We select here font as per your requirement. We select style, bold, and other property. Here is our size. We write here 60, and color, if you want to change color, you select here color and ok. Our map text complete, and we go to legend. Here is our legend. We click here legend, and we drag here legend. Here is our legend, and we adjust as per our requirement. After legend, we go to north arrow. Here is north arrow. We click here and we put north arrow. Here is our north arrow, and we adjust as per requirement. And after it, we go to scale and we add scale. Here is scale, and we adjust as per our requirement. Our map is ready for export. For export map, we go to layout and we go to export as PDF. And if you want to export an image, you select here image. We select export as PDF, and we give path, and we write here my first map, and save our map. Export, we check it, we open it. Here is our first map. Our layout manager and first map creation process complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.